Said right now it'll be another intense day in a downtown LA courtroom. Today, the preliminary hearing continues in the murder case against the singer known as David. He's accused of murdering a 14-year-old girl from Lake Elsinore.
So we do want to warn you, what was revealed in court yesterday was graphic and may be difficult to hear. NBC4's Brittany Hope is live at the courthouse right now. So Brittany, you have legal analyst Royal Oakes there with you to dive into what we've learned so far.
We do, up early for us. Thank you so much, because there's so much to unpack here. First, I want to talk about David Burke's demeanor. NBC4 Investigates' Eric Leonard was inside the courtroom. NBC News was there, and very graphic photos of Celeste Rivas Hernandez's decomposing body were shown. And during this graphic evidence, it seemed that he didn't really react much. I mean, what does that tell you if this goes to a jury trial?
It's very strange. A jury has a notion as to how a person should act, if he's guilty or if he's not guilty. And David Burke is just so calm and so matter-of-fact. Same kind of attitude he had when he was questioned by investigators a few years ago. It's like, oh, no, well, I kind of barely know her. No big deal. Munching on a sandwich. Very strange behavior.
Well, we saw that on the body camera video as well of the wellness check they did. They went to where he was staying to go look for Celeste, and they didn't find her. We also heard from a business manager yesterday who took the stand, and he said that David had earned between $10 to $11 million. We're talking about a lot of money. How could that play into the argument here from prosecutors?
This is the wild card in this case. The district attorney has said they're thinking about seeking the death penalty. If you ask for capital punishment, you have to have a special circumstance. One of them is you killed somebody for money. Well, usually you think, oh, he's got a bag of $1 million, I killed him. That's not this situation. This is a situation where he could make millions a year, and she's allegedly threatening him. You be exclusive with me, or else I'm going to blow the whistle on the relationship. Your career will be ruined. Will the DA say that's a basis for capital punishment? We'll see.
And we've been given a lot of evidence in this preliminary hearing. Yesterday, District Attorney Nathan Hochman was standing right where we are, and he told us, hey, this thing is going to last 3 to 5 days. Usually they're not that long. Why is that in this case? Why is that allowed to happen?
Nothing normal about this case. First of all, why are we here now? It's only been a few months since he was arrested. Normally, the defense says, no, wait a minute, we need months or years to get ready for the preliminary hearing, much less the trial. Instead, Blair Burke here, the lawyer, said, let's get it on now. They're rushing. They thought on the defense that the prosecution didn't have the goods, didn't have the receipts. But as we see, Nathan Hochman is eager to take up the whole week with very gruesome details.
My last question for you. If you were a betting man, all of this is to prove to a judge this mini trial, hey, we have enough to bring this to a jury trial. Do you think that's going to happen at the end of this?
Absolutely. There is no doubt that there's going to be enough. All you have to do is satisfy the probable cause standard. Here you have the body in his car, and you have him ordering chainsaws and inflatable pools, so the evidence is overwhelming enough to get to trial.
Royal, thank you so much. I know you're going to be here with us again throughout the morning, watching as this all begins. Court starts at 9:30. Again, our NBC4 Investigates' Eric Leonard will be inside. We'll be out here monitoring all the action, and I'll have the latest coming up on the news at 11, you guys.